carpet clean. First off, before I get started with this video, I want you to reach right down there and hit that like. I want to see, compared to how many views I get, how many likes I get. So I like to see how many likes I get. And I know YouTube actually recommends it upon those things. So I want to get a trending video one of these days. I think I deserve it. I got some good stuff. So anyway, on my way to my first job. As you can tell, it's really foggy out. I'm in California. So let me tell you this, it's not fog, it's smoke. It's actually been getting worse every day, all week. So I'm really glad I have my face mask, and I'm really glad I have my seal the door. I got it hanging up back there. Seal the door is a great thing to have to bring that professionalism out, you know. Every time I pull that out, customer says, "Oh, that's cool," you know. Just like every time I pull out my corner guards, customer says, "Oh, that's cool," and I'm all, "You haven't seen those before?" No, I haven't. So not everybody's using those corner guys, and that's a really cheap addition to your company to make your business look more professional. But for the courtesy door, you know, I mean, keeps the extreme weathers out, flies out, and helps with the smoke. It's not gonna be perfect because it's got the bottom area, but it's gonna help with the smoke, and I'm sure the customer is gonna really appreciate it on this job. So, all right, well, 5 areas today. Not sure the condition, but we'll see when we get there. Wow.
In half a mile, turn left onto Jardine Road.
Stay tuned. What's up, guys? Just 1 second before the video starts. I want to thank you for watching, subscribing, and liking my videos. It's really helping. And just to let you know that down below in the description, you'll see a link to all the tools that I love and use. So if you ever have any questions, check it out. I'm always updating it, so stay tuned.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
scrubbed up. Alrighty then, so that was one of those jobs that you kind of get as much info as you can over the phone from the customer, but sometimes you guys' communication's a little bit off. I do say, you know, I do treat pet stains for free, no additional, as long as it's not excessive. And we didn't get to that excessive over the phone, but when I showed up, I definitely told her I had to do an enzyme, actually, and odor removal. Because not only is it going to help make a difference in that carpet, which that carpet needed to be replaced, so it got a lot better. The living room was better carpet, turned out gray. The two side ones, they just need to be replaced, but it did get better, got rid of the odor, and so not only, see, a lot of times, guys, we should walk away from jobs. They're you know, they need to be replaced. The carpet needs to be replaced. I was right on the edge of walking away from the job, but I thought, you know, I think I can get away with it. But also tell the customer you have to do an enzyme on it, or else you can't do the job, because you have to get rid of that odor, kill that bacteria before you want to put it in your van, because it's going to stink up your whole machine. You're going to have to deodorize everything. You're just going to have to go to an hour's worth of cleaning for an hour and a half job, and that's just, you know, it's not worth it. And sometimes all the enzyme in the world is not gonna take care of that. You're gonna have to do it. And I've did it a few times, and I wrote in my customer histories next time just to decline the job, tell them they need to replace. So, you know, it's just kind of protecting us too. You know, it's not all about the customer. We don't want to ruin our equipment, and we go to the next job and it smells horrible, and you're in some you're in some really nice home and they're smelling foul odor. You know, it's not good for business. So so yeah, that's it. Hope you guys liked. Out here in the country, as you can tell, still smoky from the fire about 50 miles away. Yeah, it's getting worse every day. Hard to breathe out here in Cali. All right, have a good one. See you in the next video.